All I want to is to be close to you.
Hey guys, it's your girl Ocutie Chula, Ocutie Sagel, and I am back with another super dope video. Guys, I am back like umqolo sana. Guys, disclaimer. Ocutie wenu uthe gabu kwaTimu sana. Umzuzu nomzuzu awufumanayo uzifumana ekwatimu. She is so timuholic. Uyi-addict sana yapha kwatimu. Guys, at this point ngicela ukuzihanda over nindincede. Ndidinga i-rehab because I can't live like this anymore, guys. But okay, guys, on today's video, it's just gonna be a very mini video because I think I'm gonna be unboxing only 9 items from Timu, guys. At least there is improvement somewhere there, guys. Anyway, guys, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. More than anything, guys, I hope you're gonna love this video and I hope you're gonna fall in love with this video. And more than anything, guys, I hope you're gonna stick with me sana yo. Guys, let me not ramble. Let's get right into it. Mwah! The girl has arrived, the sana. So let's open her. Let's open her, guys. Let's open her, guys. Okay. These are the items. Next. Okay, let's start with this one. Let's start with the clothes, guys. Let's start with the clothes. This is the first t-shirt, guys. Let's open her. Let's open her, guys. Guys, the material, guys. Look at this, guys. Look at the first item, guys. Ooh, I'm already obsessed, guys. The quality is 10 out of 10 minus nothing, guys. The Asian clothes. Hi, guys, sana. Look at this. It also have a cute little bow here. Look at the bow. Oh, guys, I'm so super obsessed with it. I'm very much happy, guys. Let's go to the second item. The second item, let's take this t-shirt as well, guys. Let's start with the clothes and get over with them, and then we go to the house stuff, ne? Okay, this is the second t-shirt, guys. Guys, one thing about me, I love clothes, and I've already noticed that if I don't kuza myself, and that's guys. Look at this, guys. I am so sorry that I'm filming this at night because I feel like the camera is failing me, but just look at this, guys. Just check. It's a net like yo, not a net yo. The quality here, guys, the quality here. Oh, guys, this is so beautiful, guys, given the fact that it is summer. So I think it is a nice buy, guys. I can just rock it anytime at work, guys. At this point, I'm just focusing on clothes which I can be able to wear at work. So I think this one, yabo, this one, yabo, it's so nice. I thought I would buy clothes for Christmas, guys, but yay, budget is sana indibambe ngobhongwana, so I don't really think I'm still gonna buy anything for Christmas. But yeah, guys, this is the t-shirt. You can tell me how you feel about it. If I do get some time, I will also take the pictures during the day and also attach on the side so that you can see them properly. But for now, I think let's just stick to this one. Let's stick to this one. Guys, it's so beautiful. 10 out of 10 minus nothing, baby. Yeah, guys, we are done with clothes. Now the third item is these nails, guys. Very nice nails. I hope they are as nice as I saw from the picture. Why imagine says Pumakum? Yabo, yours they are best not to sunny nails. Zab, nice. Oh, I don't know this color, guys. Look at this color. Yo, It looks so super dope, guys. I hope zizonela. Like, I hope zizonela on my nails. I'm just hoping. Yo, guys, andiyazi into eyenzeka apha. It doesn't look like ndizawuba happy, but either way, they still look nice. Same colors that I saw from Landuken picture. So I'm still satisfied. I think I don't know how to rate this one because andigawafaki, so I don't know, but the color, I am so much happy. It's the same color that I've seen from the app. And then I also bought this tattoo. Remember, on my birthday, I did buy the tattoo from them, and I was so happy. I think it stayed for about 7 days, which I was personally happy about it. So that's why I also bought these ones again. So whenever I'm having any outing, I'll just rock it. And I think it will be somewhere during the festive, ne? During the festive. If it's not on the 16th, it will be on the 25th. Guys, I take Christmas very seriously, please, okay? I take it very seriously. Then I saw these things, guys, while I was scrolling on the app, like Temu app, and they look very nice in terms of keeping your food. For example, I saw they were putting avocados, like ama-avo la mawuqeda ukuyivula, and then you did not finish it, you just put it inside this thing to keep it safe. I don't know how to open it. How do I open this now? You see, these are the containers. If you want tomato and you don't want to finish it, you can just use these things. It's just that I don't know how to open. Let's try to open them, guys. I don't know. Yes, how do we open this now? You guys, I have no clue how to open this thing. Guys, okay, I can open this one. I managed to open it, guys. Yabo, uyayivula ufake whatever here, and then you close, ne? These sizes are very nice. It's in different sizes and different colors, so which means you can use any size and any color of whatever that you are planning to keep, yeah. And this thing is sort of like a rubber, which means that it scratches up if something is big, so it means that it can be able to accommodate, yeah. These are very beautiful, guys. I love them for me. And then this is another tattoo, guys. Mom. It's written mom, so I love it because I'm a mom. Anyway, guys, I'm a mom, not a proud mom, but I'm a mom, so I will also use this one, guys. Obviously, I'm not gonna use this one when I'm going to like my first dates or something, because what is this, guys? Why kumele umuntu andazi ba ndingumama? Kumele uconfuse umtyholi acima uli virgin son. Then you communicate other things as you go. And then I also bought this, guys. I also bought this one, yemoto, lento yokubamba ifone emotweni, guys. Yabo, yokubamba ifone emotweni. Nice. Guys, excuse my unboxing. Actually, it was not planned. But I felt like, you know what, since I'm used to plugging you guys, why not this time around, yabo? Nancy Fawa up, how be so city, guys, I'm tired. But yabo, then uzobeka phone up. Okay, phone uzobeka up, and then this thing uzoyiplaga emotweni. Yeah, this is it, guys. And then I also bought this thing. I saw it from my colleague. It's this thing of removing fluffy, like you remove fluffy from your clothes. Now in this spare what, then this is the machine, and then you use it to remove all the fluffy on your clothes, guys, and your clothes go back to new. So yeah, I also bought this one. You see, it is working its magic, guys. Woo, guys, I've been eyeing this, guys. I've been eyeing it. I don't know why I haven't been why I have not yet bought this, because I have been wanting it for the longest time now. And then I think last but not least, I bought these. Guys, obviously I need to buy things for content, so yeah guys, that's why I bought this. It's mainly for content, this one. Microphones, ne? Wireless microphones. This is the wireless microphone. Guys, help me to open this thing. I do not have patience for anything, guys. Hey bo, this space is something up. Hey bo. Guys, bekumele ziyi-2 ezinto. Sitheni ngekwayi-2? Hey bo, what's going on? Kufanele ziyi-2 guys. Sispace santoni esi? Sesayo mos ne? Hey bo guys, ndiyavivinywa jonga. Jonga akho nto apha. Njani? Njani sana? Okay. Or one. I'll go back to the app and check. Nansi charger yakhona. Nansi charger. Guys, senizondiva kangcono ngoku. Mandithetha nizondiva kangcono. I'm just worried about this one engekhoyo because it means I will have to return them kaloku balungisele ingekhoyo. Nansi guys. Yebo? Nansi. But ke ngoku iphi enye ubhululu wayo. Ubhululu wayo. Nansi guys. Yebo? Then andazi noba kwenziwani ke ngale. Yabo, nansi enye. Zinto zakhona abantase. I'll read as I go. Guys, I'm so stressed about the one engekhoyo ke ngoku. Then nansi khushu yakhona. Nansi khushu yakhona. Yebo? I wonder iphi ke ngoku enye. Ndiphulukene nayo phi. Please, they need to explain ukuthi iphi ke ngoku enye. Hi, I'm sorry guys, and I'm so angry right now. I'm very much angry right now because this is what I wanted mostly from this order, because I am tired of my videos that are not clear. Abantu bayakhalaza ukuthi awekho clear ama video wami. Anyway guys, if you watch up until this far, it means the video was popping. Please don't forget to leave a thumbs up and also a nice cute comment, even if you leave just a heart guys, just to show that we are in this together. See you on the next one. With God's love never fails. Love you.